Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Science with me. Today we are going to learn adrenal medulla, which is the inner portion of adrenal gland. So these are our right and left kidney, and on the top of our both kidneys there is the presence of adrenal glands. So we have two adrenal glands. The upper portion or upper part of this adrenal gland is called cortex, which we have discussed. Now the inner portion of this adrenal gland is called medulla. This medulla is made up of specialized cells which are called pheochromoplasts or chromaffin cells. Have you ever think why being scared makes our heart beat faster? This is the body's reaction to fear, which we call fight or flight response. To prepare for this fight or flight response, our body does a number of things. It increases our heart rate to pump more blood to your muscles. The size of our pupil of eye gets bigger. In such scary situation or emergency condition, our hypothalamus sends signals to sympathetic nerves. Sympathetic nerves of our autonomic nervous systems, and these nerves activate the adrenal medulla, and in that response this medulla activate and release a group of hormones which are called catecholamines. So the hormone which are released by this inner portion of adrenal gland medulla is catecholamines. These group of hormones released by this adrenal medulla when it receives signals from the sympathetic nerves which activate by the hypothalamus during fight or flight condition. So the major hormones of these catecholamines are adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline, also called epinephrine, and this noradrenaline, also called norepinephrine. This medulla release 80% of epinephrine while only 20% of noradrenaline. A part of their function as a hormone in our body, this adrenaline and noradrenaline also acts as neurotransmitters in our body. So these are the hormones as well as the neurotransmitters of our body. This adrenaline and noradrenaline or epinephrine, norepinephrine are water soluble hormones, so they don't need any carrier to transfer it into the blood. They just attach to the surface of their receptors and then perform their function. The major function of these catecholamines, epinephrine and norepinephrine, are as follows. These are emergency hormone. As I told you, when our body is in emergency condition, then these hormones are released by the adrenal medulla. They release in our body in fear, fight and flight response, stimulate breakdown of glycogen, lipids and proteins into glucose. Through the breakdown of this glycogen, lipids and proteins, our body gets glucose. More glucose is available into the blood, so more energy will be released for the muscles. They increase blood flow. How they increase the blood flow? They increase the dilation of blood vessels of heart, brain, liver, and skeletal muscles and enable muscles to receive more oxygen. In emergency condition, these hormones increases piloerection, and this piloerection means raising of hairs or goosebumps. They also increase our pupil dilation. These hormones slows down peristalsis. It decreases the movement of our gastrointestinal tract in order to make our body more active, more alert in emergency condition. It increases heartbeat or heart rate, so the heart can give more response. Heart pumps more blood. It increases breathing. They also increases mental alertness. This is all about the adrenal medulla and the hormones which are released by this inner portion of adrenal gland. I hope you understand this lecture. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.